Welcome to the Blueprint Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to utilize third-party billing. Let's say insurance comes back and says they're going to pay $200 and write off $50. You can go to your patient browser and open a patient's file. Click on their Sales History tab. You can highlight the invoice and click Edit Invoice at the bottom of the screen. Now we are going to make the insurance responsible for the covered amount plus the write-off, which will make our covered amount $250. You can click in the covered amount field and type in $250. If it will not let you change it directly on the invoice, you can click on the Edit Coverage button at the bottom of the screen. And then you can make the change by clicking in covered amount and typing in your number. Make sure to click Enter to save the change, and then click Apply. To save your changes, click Edit Invoice again. Anytime we allocate to a third party, we always get two invoices, one for the patient and one for the third party. If you go back to the patient's file, on the Sales History tab, you will see there is a triangle in the third-party total. Whenever we are ready to make a third-party payment or write-off, we go to the Accounting drop-down menu and select Enter Third-Party Payment. Under the Insurer drop-down menu, select that insurance company. It will bring up a list of any patients that are waiting on payment from that insurance company. Now you can decide if you want to do your write-off or insurance payment first. Most of the clinics like to do their write-offs first. You can highlight the patient's invoice, right-click, and select write-off. The total write-off number was $50. Click Create when done. The credit has been created. Now instead of $250 being owed, it will show $200 are owed by the insurance company. We will go ahead and enter our payment information at the top. Choose your payment method. If they wrote a check, you can type your check number in the memo field. You can check the box for the invoice that this payment will be applied to. If there are multiple invoices for a payment, you can check multiple boxes to apply the payment to multiple invoices at once. Click Save. You will be prompted to choose a location for which this payment was being made from. Click OK. Patients are then removed from the screen to show that their third-party balance has been paid in full. If we go to their Sales History tab, click Refresh, and we will see that the triangle has gone away. Now we are waiting for the patient payment. We can then highlight, right-click, and print off an invoice for the patient, or we could receive a payment from the patient, and it will generate a receipt. Back on the patient's file, anytime you want to see the details of a sale, you can highlight, right-click, and select Transaction History. This will show you all payments and write-offs that have been applied to the sale. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.